look at that blue sky. Look at the sunshine. See the shadows from the trees? See, the sun is shining, yay! After about 5 days with absolutely no sun at all. The sun did come out yesterday afternoon finally after a deluge. Late yesterday morning, probably over an inch in 20 minutes or something like that. But yay! Whew, we have a couple days of sun and then rain comes back for a couple days and then sun again. So we'll see what happens. But I have a project to work on right now. It's Sunday, February 25th, by the way, 2018. And yep, taking advantage of the semi-warm weather. It's around 60 degrees. And the sun. And yeah, working on a big, sort of overwhelming garden project. And I'll show you what it is as I get closer. But that's how I'm starting off my week. Alright, well, you may hear tree frogs in the background. It is Thursday, March 1st! I can't believe it, it's March already. 2018 is 19 or 20 more days till the first day of spring, depending on how you count, but wow. Yeah, Tuesday afternoon it rained off and on, and I wanted a long, dry time for doing the strawberries, and Wednesday it rained pretty much all day. So, yeah, it's Thursday, and so now I'm going to be getting the strawberries up growing vertically. So it didn't take long to figure out that it was a two-person operation to get the bags tied on to the hardware cloth. Yeah, and I'm kind of moving here because I'm very close to a fire ant nest that I've just treated. Anyway, we're done with the first row. My first 20 strawberry plants. So the next couple days I'm going to spend filling up 20 more bags, which will go here on the second level. And I'll let you listen to the tree frogs a little bit more.